Welcome to Santosh Kumar's online English class. In this video, Figure of Speech Part 1, I will teach you the technique to learn figure of speech by comparing two figure of speech in a tricky way. First, we know what is figure of speech. Actually, figure of speech is figurative language, a language which is used to draw figure in our mind very quickly and effectively. There are various figure of speech. I will give you the trick to remember them through comprehension. Let's start. In this video, I will show you the difference in pun and tautology. Here I have done nothing but broken the figure of speech, pun and tautology in a tricky manner. In the context of board exams and other competitive exams like CAT, MAT, JAT, etc. Let's see. Pun. Plural plus one. Plural plus one. And here tautology. Tauto means two plus auto. Logy means it is a suffix. It means study. Logy means study. Tauto means two plus auto. Auto means same. Auto means same. Here you see in pun, plural one, in this figure of speech, one word has two meanings. One word has two meanings. For example, the happiness of life depends on liver. Here, liver is one word, but it has two meanings. Liver means, number one, part of a stomach, and number two, one who lives. Whereas tautology, tauto means two plus auto, auto means same. In this figure of speech, two words have one meaning, just opposite of pun. Two words have one meaning. For example, sign of the filth and dirt. Filth and dirt are synonyms. Means same meaning. Filth and dirt have same meaning. This is the comparison between pun and tautology. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, thank you.